Health is an important asset of human being. To maintain a good health, regular exercise, hygienic food habit, and ankle rest is required. It is said that to remain healthy, 2 hours of daily physical exercise is required. There are different fitness centers like gymnasium, aerobic yoga center, which are open to have the objective of maintaining healthy health. To maintain fitness, regular exercise plays a vital role. The people who do physical exercise are found to be healthy in comparison of those who do not. We can take an example of Mr. Ramchandra Khanal from Palpa, western part of Nepal. After the postgraduate degree, he has been involved in teaching profession as a principal and there has worked as a broker in Nepal Agricultural Bank for 28 years, leading an active life. There are many innate qualities of human beings. Sometimes people are unable to recognize their own qualities and they are lagging behind to boost of their own personality. People search the alternative ways to gain name and fame. By using own qualities, people can also be famous. To remain healthy, Ramchandra Khanal, who remained an employee in banking sector for a long time, has involved in doing physical exercise too. After the retirement, he owns a retail shop. He is expert in quality too. He has been involving in ability as a part-time job holder. Mr. Khanal, who was born in Palpa from the father Mr. Thakur Prasad Khanal and the mother Dharmakumari Khanal, got married to Janaki Devi Khanal. He has happy family, having 2 children, 1 son and a daughter. He is also the Central Committee member of Nepal Auditing Association, a union of auditors of all over the country. Mr. Khanal has made a national record of being set off 2,123 times within 1 hour, 13 minutes and 45 seconds. He is in the process of making international record as well. Similarly, he did 1517 times pull-up in an hour at Sanka Park of Kathmandu Valley in 2071 BS. He completed 18 set pull-up. At first set he did 168 times and second set he did 134 times, third set 109 times, fourth set 109 times, fifth set 97 times, sixth set 90 times, seventh set 82 times, eighth set 79 times, ninth set 76 times, 10th set 76 times, 11th set 71 times, 12th set 70 times, 13th set 61 times, 14th set 55 times, 15th set 56 times, 16th set 63 times, 17th set 62 times, and finally at the 18th set, by doing 59 times, he totally did pull up 1517 times. This is the new world record. The concerned authority is expected to support Mr. Khanal to enhance maintain his vigor even at the age of 57. To flourish country in a level healthy manpower is required and it is a must to make access of health education for the people of all walks of life. It should be made schedule for the people of grassroots level as well. If any initiative is taken by the government officially to set up a fitness center, then it will be a motivational set for the people who are fit and healthy, like Ramchandra Khanal. If the common person like Khanal gains international arena to record his world record in physical exercise, then the whole country will gain a distinctive international recognition.